I see you too, spiritual people. I see you too, darlings. So beautiful you are. A king. You're showing your tongue. Or is it a smile? Wow. Oh my god. God, I'm scared now. See, the winds are blowing very strong. Father God, you scare me. Now I'm scared. Oh my god, these winds. The winds are blowing stronger. God controls everyone. And them that have taken my family, they think they are the ones in control. I've never known people like them in my whole life. God, Jesus Christ, and the Holy Spirit, you're the one in power. God, Jesus Christ is the greatest in heaven and earth. God, Jesus Christ is the number one in heaven and earth. You're so handsome, a king. God is the king. God, Jesus Christ is the king. The king of all. And he's here. God is here. You took my children and God has come to take yours. For they belong to God. My Lord's God, Jesus Christ is the greatest in heaven and earth. My Lord's God, Jesus Christ is the number one in heaven and earth. My Lord's God, Jesus Christ is the greatest in heaven and earth. The King of all, God of all is here. He may live in the winds or in the clouds or in the light or in the sun.